Webbed-in lies, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Our focus will be on the phrase, webbed-in lies. This is a common expression used in English to describe a situation or a person entangled in a complex network of lies. Let's unravel this phrase together and understand its meaning and usage. Webbed-in lies is an idiom that paints a vivid picture of a person or situation that is deeply entangled in falsehoods, much like a spider's web. When someone is webbed in lies, they are surrounded or trapped by a series of lies they have told, making it difficult to escape without revealing the truth. This phrase is often used to describe scenarios where deceit has become so complicated that the liar finds it challenging to maintain their story. The phrase, webbed-in lies, uses the metaphor of a spider's web. Just as a web is intricate and difficult to escape once caught in, lies can create a similar trap. Over time, as one lie leads to another, the situation becomes more complex, resembling the entangled strands of a web. This imagery is common in literature and has been used for centuries to describe the complexities of deceit. 1. In personal relationships, after months of deceit, he realized he was too webbed in lies to come clean to his partner. 2. In politics, the politician's career was ruined once the public saw how webbed in lies his policies were. 3. In literature and movies, characters in stories often find themselves webbed in lies, leading to dramatic revelations and consequences. When using webbed-in lies, it's important to apply it in contexts where there is a complex layering of deceit. It's a powerful phrase that conveys not just the presence of lies, but also the intricate and often problematic situation that arises from them. You can use it both in formal and informal settings, though it tends to have a dramatic effect. Understanding phrases like webbed-in lies enriches your comprehension and expression in English. It's a phrase that vividly describes the complexities of deceit and its consequences. We hope this video has helped you grasp its meaning and usage. Keep exploring the fascinating world of English idioms, and see how they can add color and depth to your communication. See you in the next video.